In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Oanda demo account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to oanda.com, and then on here, you can see it says demo, and when you hover over that, you can click on open demo account. After this, you have to put in your email, your phone number, and then your password as well, and you have to agree to the terms and conditions over here, and then you have to simply click on open demo account, and then your credentials to sign in will be sent to your email. After this, just go ahead and click on those three lines up top, click on trade online, or alternatively, you can also do this inside the email. So inside the email, there's going to be a big button where you'll basically be able to click it, and you'll come to this site, and it's going to look like this. So the first thing you're going to have to do, you're going to have to put in your login, which the credentials for you will have inside that email, and then here the password, which you set just before that. So this password you have to put in here. This is going to be basically the one you have to put in. And then after that, you can go ahead and just click on connect to account, and you've successfully basically created and connected to your demo account on Oanda. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.